The new iSure 8.5 and 9.5 kilowatt electric shower heaters are the latest addition to the new generation of electric showers that were relaunched by AKW in 2024. The introduction of the iSure to the range allows AKW to have a product offering for all bathroom and showering solutions that may be required within the property portfolio, especially within social housing, local authorities, housing associations, whether this be for void properties, repairs and maintenance contracts, cyclical repairs, and regeneration of standard bathroom upgrades and new build projects, where a cost-effective solution is now a viable option from the market leaders in inclusive design. AKW's iSure is an entry-level model to our electric showers range. The shower now features textured, raised, easy to clean dials that provide flow and non-thermostatic temperature control. It also offers an optional eco setting for improved operational efficiency. The iSure shower is the ideal choice for specifiers and installers looking for an economical, energy efficient, accessible showering solution that offers peace of mind to installers and users alike, and is the only shower out of the collection that is non-thermostatic, which is reflected in the competitive price point. After 40 years of manufacturing and designing care products, we are now introducing more products for the domestic market. The dials include mid-grey markers and red-blue indicators to confirm clearly the temperature and flow settings selected. A thermal cutout device protects the iSure from overheating, further adding to the ability for this shower to be used by anyone. The shower is available in 8.5 and 9.5 kilowatt options. Another advantage of this shower is the optional eco setting. This innovative feature is designed to support the reduction of energy consumption, helping you to save on utility bills while minimising your environmental footprint. Although many of the iSure's features benefit the user, we haven't forgotten about the installers and specifiers. To assist with an easy install, the shower has dual power blocks to allow for left or right hand wiring. The retrofit footprint of the iSure covers many manufacturers' models, and at 240mm wide by 380mm long ensures seamless and hassle-free installation in existing bathrooms. No retiling is required, and the existing cable and pipework integrate effortlessly, making the iSure a quick and straightforward solution for upgrades or replacements. iSure not only offers a hassle-free installation process, but also provides peace of mind for both installers and end users, with a 2-year warranty included as standard when registered within 30 days of installation. As always, we take pride in offering comprehensive support for all our electric showers. This includes access to our expert technical support team and the option for maintenance engineer visits, ensuring peace of mind when installing our products. Our dedicated team of maintenance engineers operate across the UK, providing an on-site servicing and maintenance for all AKW manufactured products. Thanks for watching. For more information on the iSure, please visit www.akw-ltd.co.uk or contact the number on the screen.